Bridging your security setup couldn't be easier. Installing a state-of-the-art visual alarm monitoring platform will enhance the effectiveness of your security by connecting cameras, sensors, panic buttons, and other third-party devices to create a unified solution. Protect your infrastructure and employees through an agile software solution, customizable to your site needs. Optex and CHeKT have created a system that not only meets your security needs but also secures your security with all data connections encrypted with SSL/TLS. All video data is encrypted when being transferred, and the software allows for all devices to be secured on a subnet. Providing a fully accountable system, with a complete audit trail of every action taken by each user across all portals. CHeKT software allows you to integrate smart technology into your security system. To help reduce nuisance alarms, we are integrated with deep learning analytics, sophisticated thermal imaging and man-down software technology partners, helping to optimize your site and ensure only the alarms that are required trigger. CHeKT enables you to upgrade your infrastructure by adding any camera or sensor by retrofitting old systems or adding new setups. Grow your security system whilst keeping it all connected within one setup. Tailor our software to your needs. Access event and live footage from any network and device, keeping you, your team and your customer completely up to date with what is occurring on site. The Optex CHeKT Visual Monitoring. Your system. Our software.